What connects the hyperfast AI data centers powering our future with the smart sensors tracking global supply chains? It's not a household tech name. Meet Semtech, the hidden nervous system of the modern digital world. Semtech is a master of high-performance semicon design, dominating three massive arenas that make this with a first: signal integrity. As AI demands faster processing, Semtech's chips act as ultra-fast traffic controllers, pushing massive data through optical cables at blistering speeds. Second is their crown jewel, LoRa technology. Imagine a wireless signal communicating for miles using a single coin battery that lasts over a decade. That's LoRa. It is the ultimate backbone for the Internet of Things, IoT, connecting everything from smart cities to precision agriculture. Finally, they provide complete IoT connectivity, blending industrial hardware modules with cloud platforms to keep global equipment constantly synced. Why can't rivals easily dethrone them? Semtech entirely owns the proprietary LoRa technology. Just as Wi-Fi rules your home, LoRa has become the undisputed global standard for long-range, low-power industrial networks. Once a factory or city builds its infrastructure around Semtech's ecosystem, the switching costs become financially impossible to justify. Add in the extreme technical difficulty of designing high-speed data center chips, and their competitive fortress is locked tight. So, actually print money? Semtech runs a highly lucrative fabless model. They invent the brilliant chip architectures, but outsource the expensive manufacturing, keeping profit margins incredibly high. Revenue flows from three streams: physical chip sales, recurring SaaS subscriptions from their cloud management platforms, and pure profit from licensing their patented LoRa IP to other tech manufacturers. But Happens Titan faces gravity. Semtech's aggressive expansion and acquisitions have strapped them with heavy debt, consuming profits through high-interest burdens. They also rely heavily on massive international markets, making them highly vulnerable to geopolitical trade tensions and export controls. Furthermore, the relentless evolution of cellular telecom networks, like 5G IoT, constantly threatens to encroach on LoRa's territory. Ultimately, Semtech is riding this credible tech. Semtech is running amid a location for the techs, which is the long time to still be a break to tech, which is the long time the greatest tech to work's rest. Ultimately, Semtech is the most pretty good. The corp to save the doctor of the protection of chip can really traveled marts is also in true thing to get every single time in saying the tech, which isn't everything to make month for brought the connect. To do this, they used the writing of the perfect pretty beginning made. But they didn't think there's a great beginning made because the debt, which is well, which was they didn't might. The stubble go to like road pretty beginning made. The shirt is what we dud. Semtech is riding the explosive megatrends of AI infrastructure and global IoT, balancing undeniable technological supremacy with heavy financial leverage.